Scott. Live here in Dallas, Texas, and my dental hygiene has not been worth a darn forever. I mean, I started chewing tobacco when I was young, and smoking cigarettes, and not taking care of my teeth. And I'll tell you what, they're the only ones you got. And if you don't take care of them, you'll be right here. And I'll tell you what, Golpa is the only way to go. They've done the full mouth, and I have no pain or nothing. And they just put the new ones in today. And everything has just been perfect. The whole office here in Dallas, you couldn't ask for better people. And Gina for taking care of me, get me started in here, and Dr. Anderson, he done the fine tuning for your bite and everything, and the man takes the time, and he takes a lot of pride in his work. There's nothing better you can say about these folks here. If you get the chance and you need it done, this is the way to go. I've talked to many people who've had dentures and stuff like that. They slide and they don't fit right. And these here, they feel like your regular teeth. They kind of talk funny right now. Like I said, I just had them put in. It's just going to take a little bit of time to get used to them. But it does. It just feels like natural teeth. It's the best money can buy. And this is the place to go. So if you all have any problems or anything, give Gina a call. She can talk you to it. She'll give you all the information you need, and she'll get you in touch with Dr. Anderson, and they'll get you all set up. It don't take long. Thank you.